It's several days later, for no particular reason. Got the head off. Saw one cylinder with a little schmutz in there, so I think we need to go ahead, take the other head off, flip it over, take the pan off. Maybe go ahead and take all the pistons out, just for, you know, I mean, I'm already there, may as well. Give them a quick hone, make sure all the pistons are clean, make sure there's no surface rust or anything. This motor has been sitting around for, I don't know, probably 2-3 years. So, use one of these very, very expensive, accurate and precise scribing tools. The pick from Harbor Freight. And I've made a line of exactly where this pump was lined up. See if we can tap it off. All right. Now, injection pump is off. Water jackets look clean. All right, that's pretty clean. This is looking pretty good. I still have the assembly lube on them, so got that going for them. Now, more cardboard, push rods, head bolts, you know the drill. All right, there we go. Very clean. Not bad. Okay. Looking good. All right, chain is tight. New assembly lube. This motor was definitely rebuilt, but as much as I don't really want to, all right, I'm going to take one main cap off. We'll have a look at that. Let's just start there. And I'm going to say those are not new bearings. Looks new, looks good. Okay. Not bad, but not new. Inexpensive the bearings are. Definitely needs new ones, because why not? I will finish taking off all of these caps. And once I've got that done, flip it back over. It'll be a good motor, but it's definitely been sitting. And with all the new parts, I don't know why they would, you know, cheap out on the new bearings. I mean, I get that they're not, you know, specifically bad, but I mean, hell, if you're already in there, just do it. You know, at some point, when all of this is kind of, you know, apart, and I've got like the heads laid out and all the different pieces laid out, I'll do some close-ups on everything, you know, before any kind of reassembly. That way, you know, anybody that might want this motor will know this is exactly what it looks like before it goes back together. You know, the bore, you know, is it smooth, crosshatch, good, all that good stuff. You know, you'll see the bearings are new. You'll know that there's assembly lube on everything. You'll know that everything's torqued down the way that it should be. And, you know, we'll get a close-up look on the heads. I'll do these one at a time so I don't get them mixed up in any way. Now those bearings do look new. Here's number one. And these are definitely brand new rings. We're absolutely going to clean every single one of these. Check for any kind of visible cracks, that sort of thing. It looks good. I mean, I don't see any damage. I don't see no scoring, no pitting. Looks like a good piston. But we'll see, won't we? Yeah, those are definitely new. Those wrist pins look new. Clean these off, you know, real good with some brake clean and just like a soft, like a nylon brush. Then maybe we'll just like fire each one individually through the ultrasonic cleaner, because my cleaner will only hold one piston at a time. Anyway, you know, we'll get them real cleaned up. I'll be good to go. I do need to make absolutely sure that I know which piston goes where, which is which. So maybe I'll just use some painter tape and put a little number flag on a zip tie and then attach it here.